Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. We will make fruit hit slice game in Unity. This is the third part. In this part we will add collision detection and destroy our object and also fill this user. In previous part we will add bullet and also instantiate bullet when we click with our mouse. So let's get started. First we have to go to our prefabs and go to bullet and open the bullet hit script. We need to add a trigger function, so private void on collision enter 2D. We need to put if collision dot game object dot compare tag fruit, then we need something like that. We need to add some particle, so game object. First we can add destroy function, so simply destroy collision dot game object. So when we click, our fruit is destroyed and we need to fill the juicer with size. So game object dot find, we have set the name of our filler sprite in juicer, so we have named it filler. So click, give this name filler dot get component image. To use this we need to add a Unity library, using Unity dot Unity engine dot UI, because it's UI image. So image dot fill amount plus equal to 0.15f. Now save it. So we need to add some other thing like bullet to destroy our bullet. If our bullet is not hit to fruit, then we need to destroy it after some seconds. So go to start function of bullet and write destroy and game object, give the time, so it will 2f, like 2 seconds it will destroy automatically. Now go to the fruit and give the tag fruit. You can add this tag by go to add tags. I have already add tag and bullet tag. Now go to fruit and give this tag, save it, and also go to bullet and give the tag of bullet to it, save. Now let's test and also we need to set the filler to 0, save it. Let's test. It will not work, so I think we need to fruit t. Next text debug dot log save it, test again. why it. No, the function is not called. So I think there is something missing from it. Bullet. So there is a problem with our fruit. We cannot add any collider on it. So let's go to the fruit and add collider. Circle collider 2D. Okay, let's test again. Now you see that it destroy our fruit. Save it. Now another thing, we need to add some particle effect. So this is the particle. We need to add some material like default. Okay, and also give some colors like fruit color this way. Okay, now it's good. Now save it. Go to the hits and on player and write GameObject.find and name it. Give the name of our particle. Dot transform dot position is equal to, we have to give the collision when our bullet is collide with the fruit. We give this position, so particle instantiate, particle get that position and play. Then we need to play it. So collision dot GameObject dot transform dot position, then GameObject dot find, same, copy this line and dot get component particle system dot play. Now save it, go to the scene and let's test it again. Now you see that the particle appeared and also the filler is filled with some amount. In next video we will add a rotator and also add some food. If you have any suggestion or question, you can leave a comment.